invention of Vita Wong. The invention of Vita Wong. In previous class, we discussed about the part 1 of this lesson, and what it tells us that the character of this story, Mr. Willy Wong, begins by inventing Wong Vita, which makes the people younger, but Wong Vita is too strong. He begins by inventing Wong Vita, and the Wong Vita makes people younger, but it is too strong. So some people disappear because of their age become minus. Age become minus. One person actually becomes minus 87, which means he is got to wait 87 years before he can come back. Mr. Willy Wong must invent new thing. Now he move on to the new thing. He inventing new thing, and in the new thing, the syrups make people older. Syrup makes people older. Mr. Willy Wong had to create the age and make people older and oldest. He asked question to the Charlie, what is the oldest living thing in the world? Charlie said a tree. About many trees he discussed, and main Bristol cone pine tree, about the Bristol cone pine tree found in Willow Peak in Nevada, USA. Willow Peak today that are over 4,000 years old, and other old things. He collecting the great glass elevator and rust all over the world and collecting the special item from the oldest living things. And the items are a pint of spa from 4,000 years old Bristol cone pine, the toenail clippings from the 160 years old Russian farmer called the Petrovich Gagarovich, and all egg laid by the 200 years old tortoise belongs to the king of the Tonga, the tail of a 51 years old horse in Arabia, the whisker of the 36 years old cat called the Crumpets, an old flea which had lived on the Crumpets for 36 years, the tail of the 2000 years old giant rat from the Tibet, the black teeth of the 97 years old Grimlakin living in a cave of mountain of the Popocatépetl, and the knuckle bone of the 700 years old Cthulhu from the Peru. He collecting the special item from the oldest living things. Now we reach on the second part, and what second part tell us about the invention of the Mr. Willy Wong, and what is its invention. Now he is searching for the syrup about which make a people's older and oldest, older and oldest. Page number 101, page number 101, second part. All over the world, Charlie, Mr. Wong went on, and I tracked down very old and ancient animals and took an important little bit something from each one of them. A hair or an eyebrow or something. It was no more than an ounce of two of jam scraped from the between its toe while it was sleeping. While the animals were sleeping, he took from him something from each one of them. Maybe it is a hair, eyebrow of hair. Sometimes it was more than an ounce, and two of jam scraped from between its toe from it was sleeping. What is the meaning of track down? Track down, found by searching for it. And what is the meaning of ounce? A something. He tracked down and he took something from the animals while animals were sleeping. I tracked down I searching for, track down meaning found by searching for it, the whistle pig, underline the word name of the animals, the whistle pig, the bobolink, the skyrock, the skyrock, the polyfrog, the kuruliku, giant kuruliku, and the stinging slum, and the venomous Squirrelical. Squirrelical. Who can speak? About the venomous squirrelical, he told that whose spit poisons right into your eye from the 50 yards away. Please children underline this. Venomous squirrelical who can spit the poison right into eye from 50 yards away. But there is no time. Now Mr. Willy Wonka totally chat and talked to the Charlie. But he now told that, but there is no time to tell you about them all now. Now it is not time to tell you about the searching and all that thing, Charlie. Let me just say quickly that in the end, now in short, in end, I tell you all things. After lots of boiling and bubbling and mixing and testing in my invention room, laboratory, you can call it, in invention room, I produce a one tiny cup of the oily black liquid and gave 4 drops it to a brave 20 years old Oompa Loompa volunteer to see what happened. Now he not interested to tell all about his research, but he tell the Charlie in short and tell that after lots of bubbling and mixing and testing in my inventory room, I produce a one. What he produced? He produced only one tiny cup of oily black liquid, and he gave 4 drops to it volunteer brave 20 years, and the volunteer age was 20 years at that time. Oompa Loompa volunteer to see what happened. What did happen? Charlie asked. Charlie now curiously asked what happened to him. It was fantastic, cried Mr. Wong. Mr. Wong loudly said it was fantastic. The moment he swallowed it, when he swallowed it, he drink it, he began wrinkling and swirling up, wrinkling and dull up all over, and his hair started dropping off, his teeth started falling out, and before I knew it, he had suddenly become an old. Suddenly he became the old fellow of the 75. 20 years old brave man become now 75 after swallowed the 4 drops of the oily black liquid. And thus, my dear Charlie, was Vita Wong invented. In this way, now he finished his talk and tell that in this way Vita Wong invented. And the story by the Roald Dahl from Charlie and the Great Grass Elevator. Now, what was the summary of the story? What is the summary of the story? The owner of chocolate company and the stories tell us about the invention of Vita Wong, how it was invented. Mr. Willy Wonka begins inventing Wonk Vita. First he begins to inventing Want Vita, which makes people younger. But it is too strong and people disappeared and become in minus. One person actually become minus 87. It means he has to go to wait 87 years before he come back. Now Mr. Willy Wonka make another thing which made a people older and oldest. So he started off and jumped into the glass elevator and rushed all over the world and collecting special items from the oldest living things. He take a jar of juice or a pint of spark from the 4,000 years old Bristol cone pine and other things. And in the second part, all over the world, Mr. Wong went on and tracked Asian animals and took important little bit something from each of them. But Mr. Wong told the Charlie that this is the not time to tell you about all them all now, Charlie. Let me say quickly, and in the end, lots of research and lots of spending time in the laboratory invention room, he made he produced one tiny cup full of oily black liquid, gave 4 drops it to the brave 20 years Oompa Loompa, and the result was, after swallowed it up, he began wrinkle and swiveling up all over, and his hair started dropping off, his teeth started falling out, and before I knew it, he had suddenly become an old fellow of 75. And thus, my dear Charlie, was Vita Wonk invented. In this way, Vita Wonk invented. The lesson is finished now. We move on to the working with the text. We move on to the working with text. Before this, please note down this. Before this, please note down this. Now working with the text, question answer we discuss in class. We discussed all the question answer in the class. Then move on to the next exercise. First is what tree does Mr. Wong mention? Which tree does he says lives longest? Mr. Wong mentions Douglas fir, oak, cedar, pine, and in these all, which tree does he says lives the longest? The Bristol cone pine that grows upon the slope of the Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA, does lives the lives the longest. How long does this tree live? Where can you find it? And it is over 4,000 years old. How many years old? And it finds in Bristol cone pines on Wheeler Peak today that are over 4,000 years, and it finds in slope of the Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. Nevada, USA. Second question, how many of the oldest living thing can you remember from the Mr. Wong list? You think all these things really exist, or are some of them purely imaginary? List a pint of the spa from the 4000 years old sap of the bristlecone pine, the toy nail clippings from a 160 years old Russian farmer called the Petrovich Gagarovich. On the page number 100, you can find all the oldest living thing, list of the oldest living thing. An egg laid by the 200 years old tortoise belonging to the king of Tonga, the tail of the 51 years old horse, the whisker of the 36 years cat, an old flea which had lived in the crumpets for the 36 years, the tail of the giant rat, the black teeth of the 97 years green blacking, and the knuckle bone of the cat Lou. Why does Mr. Wong collect items from the oldest thing? Do you think this is the right way to begin his invention? Why? Because he was collecting things because he want to inventing the liquid of which make people older. Do you think this is the right way? No, it is not a right way. It is not a proper way. It is a foolish way. What happened to the volunteer who swallow for drop of the new invention? What is the name of the invention? Name of the invention is Vitavon, and the person who swallowed it, he began to wrinkle and swelling up all over, and his hair started dropping off, and his teeth started falling out. And before the Mr. Wong knew it, he had suddenly become an old fellow of the 75. Old fellow of the 75. Now move on to the next exercise, working with the language. What do you call these insects in your language? We know about the cockroach, mosquito, grasshopper, housefly, dragonfly, ant, and other small wasps, bee, honeybee. We see sometimes in our environment. How do these insects affect your health? Have a discussion in the class. You all know about the insects and they affect our health. In science class also sometimes in chapters you discuss. Now second exercise, fill in the blanks in the recipe given below with the words from the box. Exercise second. 1. Fill in the blanks in the recipe. You have to follow the words and fill the blanks and make a recipe. Recipe given below with the words from the box. Seared cooker times tomatoes, half onion, oil. Ingredients: easy palak dal. The recipe name is easy palak dal. Ingredients: 1 onion. 1 in first blanks you have to write onion. 1 onion, 1 cup dal, 2 thin green chilies. Now in the other blank, second blanks, half teaspoon red chili powder, half 8 small bunches of the palak, 2 tomatoes. Now write in the third blanks tomatoes. Salt to taste. Wash and cut the vegetable and silt the palak. Put everything in a pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. Let the cooker whistle 3 times. 3 times. When switch it off, fry a few cumin seeds in oil and add to the palak dal. 1 onion, 1 cup dal, 2 thin green chilies, half a teaspoon red chili powder, 8 small bunches of palak, 2 tomatoes, salt to taste, wash and cut the vegetable, shield the palak, put everything in the pressure cooker, let the cooker whistle 3 times, then switch it off. Fry a few cumin seeds in oil and add to the palak dal. This is the ingredients and the recipe of the palak dal. Write down children, please note down this. Third exercise, a family tree is a diagram that shows a relationship between a different member of the family. Fill in the family tree and below with names, age and other details you think are relevant. You may even stick a photograph if you have them. Put your family trees up in the class. It is this exercise children do by yourself. Great grandfather, great grandmother, then grandfather, grandmother, great aunt, great uncle, uncle auntie, mother father, mother-in-law, father-in-law, cousin, sister-in-law, brother, sister, myself, husband, brother-in-law, nephew, niece, son-in-law, daughter, son, daughter-in-law. Children are called daughter-in-law. Then grandchildren are called granddaughters, husband, granddaughter. grandson and great grandson and great granddaughter. Please children do by yourself. Speaking using do for emphasize. Emphasize. Charlie asks, what did happen? This is a way asking of the question, what did happen? With emphasize. Give below are the few empathic utterance. Say them to your partner. Let partner repeat your utterance without the emphasize. Your partner may also add something to so see he disagree with you. It is about disagreement and you have to emphasize. First one is done for you, then the other we have to complete. First you say I did study. Partner, you studied. I don't believe you. Look at your marks. Look at your marks. You have to do with do, did and emphasize. You say I did go there. Partner say you went there. Then, how come I didn't see you? How come I didn't see you? You, I do play games. Partner, say, then why don't you take part in sports day? Then, why don't you take part in now third one is you say he does read his book. Partner, I don't think so because he couldn't answer my questions. I don't think so. You did. You do say the most unbelievable things. Makes you what make you think so? Now, fifth, the earth does spin around. You have to emphasize with do or does. Does it? Then why don't I feel that? Why don't I feel that? Please children note down this. You say, the earth does spin around. Partner say, does it? Then why don't I feel that? Does it? Then why don't I feel that? You say, we all do want you to come with us. Partner say, do you? Then why no one invited me? Do you? Then why no one invited me? You say, why does know how to cook? Who, sorry, why me? Sorry. You say, who does know how to cook? Partner said, my mom knows. You say, I do believe that man is thief. Partner says, do you? On what basis do you think so? Do you? On what basis? Please children note down this. Now children, it is a homework time. Write a note on Mr. Willy Wong. Write a note on Mr. Willy Wong. Please children note down the homework and bye. In next video we will move on to the next chapter. Thank you.